Welcome to this video on how to make money online for beginners. In today's digital age, the internet has opened up a whole new world of opportunities to make money from your computer, tablet, or smartphone. In this video, we will explore some of the best ways for beginners to make money online. One of the easiest and most popular ways to make money online is through freelancing. Freelancing websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com offer a platform to connect freelancers with clients looking for services such as writing, graphic design, programming, and more. Freelancing can be a great way to earn extra income or even a full-time income. Online surveys are another easy way to make money online. Companies are always looking for feedback from consumers, and they are willing to pay for it. Websites such as SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars offer paid surveys to their users. While you won't make a fortune completing surveys, it can be an easy way to earn some extra cash. Affiliate marketing can be a more lucrative way to make money online, but it requires more effort and time. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Websites such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale offer affiliate programs for a wide range of products and services. If you have a particular skill or expertise, you can create and sell online courses. Platforms such as Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to create and sell courses on a variety of topics. This can be a great way to turn your knowledge into a source of income. In conclusion, there are many ways for beginners to make money online, from freelancing to affiliate marketing and selling online courses. While these methods may require some effort and time, they can be a great way to earn extra income from the comfort of your own home.